Hi everyone, I wanted to put together this video to show you how to check your email. Also wanted to show you how to get into PowerSchool. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a Chrome browser. And once I'm in here, you can either click on this Gmail link, or if you do not see that, or if you're in another browser, you type in mail.google.com. And once I do this, it's going to load my Gmail for me. And you're going to see all of these emails. Now, if you watch that Google Classroom video I sent you, you can make the setting change so that you will not see every single time your teacher posts something to Google Classroom, so you won't have as many emails. You'll just see emails that your teachers send to you directly. Like, for example, Mrs. Moran sent this. I think Mrs. Guilfoyle sent this. So if you want to get rid of all these other ones that people are getting posted from Google Classroom, you can make that change by watching that video. So I'm in my email now. If I would like to compose an email to a teacher, I can simply click on this compose button over here. I can delete that. Or if I wanted to respond back, like let's say, for example, I wanted to respond back to Mrs. Moran, I can do that by clicking this reply button. And I'm going to click on compose here again. And let's say I wanted to send one to myself. Okay, now this subject line right here, this is just to tell the teacher what you want to talk about. Like, let's say, for example, I wanted to email Miss Rodenbaugh about chapter 7. So I would just write, chapter 7, okay? Do not put the entire message of the text of the message in that subject line. That's just, what do you want to talk about? And underneath it, you would write the entire message or whatever you wanted to send to her. And then once I'm finished, I can just go down here and click on send. And that's it. It's as simple as that. I have gotten reports that kids are writing the entire message up here in this subject line, which we would like to avoid if possible. So that's checking your email. If you want to go and check your PowerSchool, you simply go to powerschool.hermitage.k12.pa.us/public. And it's going to take you to our Hermitage page. And you sign in. Your username is your student ID, and your password, you've probably changed it by now. The other way to get there is simply go to the Hermitage School District website. And I can go up to parents, or I can go to students. And if I scroll down, I have my PowerSchool student portal. And I also have my PowerSchool Student Portal Help. This will give you some tutorials and some documents that will show you how to access your grades, how to look at assignments, and things like that. But both ways, either typing in the web address or going to the Hermitage School District website and then clicking on the link to the portal, will bring you to where you need to get to be able to sign in. This is Mr. Kulbacki. You can email me with any questions or email your teachers, and we would be happy to help you.